It's a messy job, so make sure that you've got a nice bowl of hot water ready to wash your hands. Cut approximately 100 grams of butter, put it into a baking dish, into an oven, switch on the oven to 180 degrees fan force and let the butter melt. Mum always had 1 tablespoon of curry powder to 1 tablespoon of salt. I have cut down the salt considerably. So 1 tablespoon of curry powder to teaspoon to even less than a teaspoon of salt. You would think with all that curry powder that it's actually going to be spicy. Let me tell you, it's not. It's flavoursome, but there's no spice or heat in this meal. Mix it all up, ready to go. Put the chook on the plate and start rubbing the curry powder mixture in. Make sure that you get into all the nooks and crannies. As mentioned, it's a messy job. Immediately wash your hands. When the butter is bubbling, put the chicken in face down, put it in the oven and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the chicken over and add the potatoes. After another 15 minutes, turn the chicken over again and add the softer vegetables like carrots, pumpkin, sweet potato. If you have done something like a cauliflower bake, add that half an hour before finish. Continue to turn the chicken over every 15 minutes and baste in the potatoes until cooked. It's approximately an hour and a half. Serve up the vegetables while the chicken is roasting and then cut the chicken ready to go. I find you don't need gravy for this meal because everything is so flavoursome. This is not a recipe for the faint-hearted. With all that butter, maybe not for everyone. But let me tell you, my memories just bring me right back to my childhood. My taste buds always are delighted when we have this meal. I hope yours are too.